Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account information on your Wix account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Wix website, from which if you have already logged into your account, you will directly be taken into your dashboard. Otherwise, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to log in. Now from your dashboard, in order to add payment methods or your bank account information, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now from the account settings menu, click on payment methods at the left section and you will be able to click on add a payment method. Click on this button and you will be able to choose either PayPal or your credit card. Click on the credit card option and then you can enter the credit card details for your bank. Just enter your card number followed by your expiration date and the CVV number. Finally, enter your first and your last name and then scroll down and enter the invoice details. This includes your city, your address, your postal code and your country, as well as your phone number. Finally, click on the save button and your information will be processed for verification. Once your information has been verified, your bank account information will appear within this page. And now you can use your bank account information directly through your credit or your debit card to make your payments and purchases on Wix. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your bank account on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.